Hello, everybody. Our guest here is a household name for anyone who loves a good love story. Ravindra Singh became a star with his very first book, I Too Had a Love Story, and since then he has written bestsellers that millions of people have read. From stories about childhood and friendship to book about deep romance and even comedy, Ravinder knows exactly how to touch our hearts. Please join me in welcoming the king of romance, Ravinder Singh again. Hello,
Thank you.
Ravindra.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
So, all of us here are really interested to know you as a person because we got hold of you right here as an author. And when it comes to books, how do you approach them? So, the first question for you is when you have written many love stories, yet each one feels different. What keeps pulling you back to this theme?
I do believe that I have so much to talk about. At the base, love remains the same. आज से 1000 साल पहले जो था और आज है. What is changing is the prism of relationships. They have become very complicated and interestingly so. I believe every 5 years I listen to new words which didn't exist back then. In my era, in school time, nobody talked about situationship, but there are these new words which come into existence. तो मुझे लगता है कि कुछ ना कुछ तो बताना चाहिए उनके बारे में. And I'm not saying what is right or wrong. Beyond right and wrong, just to talk about this, that so much exists, is the beauty that I find. In my era of 80s and 90s, when I used to be in school, the movies were about there is a hero and a heroine and there is a villain who is stopping them from meeting each other. Today, the problem with Romeo and Juliet are Romeo and Juliet themselves. वो खुद ही निभा नहीं पा रहे. So that beauty makes me feel कि while love has remained the same, it's a relationship parameter that has been changing, and I should talk about them.
Okay. So when you started writing, basically तब जो love story था you spoke about.
Yeah.
So the first book that you wrote, which is I Too Had a Love Story, was based on your own life.
Correct.
Was it hard to share such a personal story with the audience? And it was your first book as well. Can you?
I think, on the contrary, it was the easiest thing to share. I had a need to share. Nobody asked me to share that thing. It was my reason to find a meaning to my survival. Also, it was the easiest because I didn't have to imagine anything. जो हुआ था उसको वैसा लिखना है.
Yes.
So if there was anything which was easiest of all was writing I Too Had a Love Story. The most difficult part about this was I would imagine a scene कि अच्छा फिर ये हुआ था, and I would open my eyes and I would realize, oh, I was in the past and she's no more. That was the most difficult part about writing this book.
Okay, that's really interesting. Now this brings me to the next part of the question basically कि आपने अभी before this you spoke about the love stories in 90s and अभी जो love story है different. So आपके several books are about loss and moving on as well. So do you think people read your books more for hope than for romance, or it's vice versa, or the audience are very different for each of them?
I think people read my work because वो कहीं ना कहीं मेरे किरदारों में खुद को ढूंढ पाते हैं. And I talk about the issues which are very real and not many people talk about it in the open. हमारी एक दुनिया है जो हम महसूस करते हैं अकेले. अगर मैं बोलूं कि मैं ऐसा हूं, पर जब मैं सुबह उठता हूं, if I'm going to my washroom, am I dancing, am I singing songs? That is me who I am. I think हम वो हैं जो हम दुनिया के सामने तो हैं, पर दुनिया जब हमें नहीं देख रही होती है, हम क्या बोलते हैं, क्या सोचते हैं, क्या करते हैं, हम वो भी हैं. हम वो ज्यादा हैं. I write about the story of the boy next door, the girl next door. वो क्या सोचता है, क्या बोलता है, क्या बोलना चाहता है और नहीं बोल पा रहा है, और वो जज करता है कि यार अगर मैंने दिल की बात बोल दी ना तो लोग मुझे क्या किस नजर से देखेंगे या मेरे बारे में क्या सोचेंगे. I write about that. And that is why people read my work, because they find relatability on my writing boards, on Instagram reels and in my books.
ओके सो क्योंकि इतना रिलेटेबल है एंड पीपल व्हेन दे रीड योर बुक आर रियली रियली इन्वेस्टेड इन द स्टोरीज दैट यू राइट. तो कभी ऐसा हुआ है वेरिन यू फील अ बिट ऑफ प्रेशर कि उतना रिलेटेबल हर एक जगह पे हर एक मोमेंट पे, बिकॉज दैट्स द फ्लो, वो कभी फील होता है?
I don't take pressure at all. I think my publishers take that pressure कि किताबें बिक पाएंगी कि नहीं बिक पाएंगी. I have a reason why I write. The reason I write is not because people want to read me. The primary reason I write is I have something to say. और अगर मेरे दिमाग में वो बात है तो मुझे वो रखनी है किसी ना किसी तरीके से. It could be in a podcast, it could be in a session, it could be in a book, it could be on my Instagram reel. And because what I have to say, only if people find there is weight in it. ये लोग क्यों खड़े हैं यहाँ पे? अगर मैं कुछ बकवास कर रहा हूँ, everybody has some other place to go to. आज संडे है. Why these people are listening to me? Why have you called me? क्योंकि कुछ वैल्यू निकल के आ रही है. कोई ऐसी बात कर रहा हूँ जो वो सोचते हैं कि हाँ यार ये सही बोल रहा है. मे बी हमारी किसी और चीज को लेके लड़ाई हुई हो, बट ये जो तुम बोल रहे हो ना, ये सही बोल रहे हो. Thought let me write one book which is not about romance but about friends and friendship. मुझे लगता है कि फ्रेंडशिप को ना हम बहुत ही कम आंकते हैं, बट when we are going through a heartbreak, हम उसी दोस्त के कंधे पे जाके सर रखते हैं जो हमें समझ सकता है. मुझे लगता है कि आज के दौर पे हमारे पार्टनर्स चेंज हो रहे हैं, लेकिन दोस्त हैं जो स्थायी रह गए हैं. वो कॉलेज में भी थे, वो आज भी हैं. इस दौरान हमारी लाइफ में हमारे 2-3 एक्स बॉयफ्रेंड और गर्लफ्रेंड रह चुके हैं, बट वो एक्स फ्रेंड नहीं बने हैं जो हमारा एक दोस्त है.
बिल्कुल.
एंड इट इज सुपर इम्पोर्टेंट. रिलेशनशिप इज विद वन पर्सन, फ्रेंडशिप could be with bunch of 4 friends जो आप उस टाइम पे थे. I think in my own life, my partners have changed, but these 4 friends, इनको मैं पिछले 2 decades से जानता हूँ, और आज भी इस इवेंट के बाद one person has come from London to meet me, तो हम शाम उसके साथ बिता रहे हैं.
Awesome. I was going to come to that question कि ये आपकी खुद की फ्रेंडशिप कहानी है, which you already answered. That's really really interesting and inspiring. Now we have had a flavor of you as an author, your genres of the one that you have covered, but you often edit collection of stories also written by your fans. What is that one thing you look for when you are picking a great love story?
I think वो मेरे दिल को छू जाए. In fact, that's how I coined this title, Love Stories That Touched My Heart, which is one of the books जहाँ लोग कहानियां लिखते हैं और वो मुझे भेजते हैं. It doesn't matter whether it has a sad ending or a happy ending. Can you move me? And I think you can move anybody when you pour in reality. Brutal reality. चाहे दुनिया उस प्यार को सही ना माने, बट अगर आपने महसूस किया है ना, उसके बारे में लिखो. And that is something people will say, हाँ यार मैंने भी ऐसा कुछ एक्सपीरियंस किया था पर मैं कभी बोल नहीं पाया. तुमने लिखा है ना, thank you so much for writing this book. That was my reaction to these people, which is why I published their love stories. I edited them. They are the author, but it was my way to give back to people कि आपने मेरी प्रेम कहानियां पढ़ी हैं, इनकी भी पढ़ के देखो, because they have moved me.
That's really wonderful of you, Ravinder. It's just not you making an impact as an author, but also pushing in these people, and you know, making up the other upcoming authors as well.
Thank
it
you
was
so much.
wonderful having you. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you to you also.